Location and size. India lies entirely in the tropical and subtropical regions of the northern hemisphere. It is located in the southern part of Asia at the head of the Indian Ocean. It lies between 8 degree 4.5 minutes north and 37 degree 6.5 minute north latitude, and between 68 degree 7.5 minutes east and 97 degree 25.5 minutes east longitudes. India has a total area of 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers, while the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is approximately 2,900 kilometers. The meridian of 82 degree east, which runs through the middle of the country, is taken as the Indian Standard Meridian, and the local time on this is adopted as the Indian Standard Time (IST). India. Political division, physical divisions.
Political division. For administrative convenience, India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Most of these states are formed on the basis of languages. Each state is further divided into districts.
Physical division. India is a land of varied relief features. Broadly, the mainland can be divided into 6 main divisions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plains, the island groups. The northern mountains. The entire northern boundary of India is guarded by several lofty mountain ranges which run in the shape of an arc. The northernmost range is the Karakoram Range, which has the world's second highest peak, Mount K2 or Godwin Austen. This is 8,611 meters high and is the highest peak in India. To the south of the Karakoram Range lie the mighty Himalayas, which are young-fold mountains. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges: Himadri or Great Himalayas, Himachal or Lesser Himalayas, Shivaliks or Outer Himalayas. The northern plains, formed by the river Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra, these lie to the south of the Himalayas. This is the most extensive and fertile region of the subcontinent. This vast, flat, low-lying region of alluvial deposits laid down by the 3 rivers and their tributaries provides fertile land for cultivation. This is the most densely populated region. The Great Indian Desert. In the west and northern plains extended into a dry, hot sandy stretch of land called the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. This region experiences very little rainfall. The only big river here is the Luni, which is a seasonal river. The Peninsula Plateau. Lying south of the northern plain is the triangular-shaped landform, which is made up of hard, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The river Narmada divides the plateau into 2 parts. The Malwa Plateau lies to the northwest and the Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the Vindhya and Satpura ranges. Deccan Plateau is bound by the Western Ghats or the Sahyadris on the western side and the Eastern Ghats on the eastern side. The coastal plains. These plains lie to the west and east of the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats and are known by different local names. Between Gujarat and Goa, the plain is called Konkan Coast. South of Goa is called Malabar Coast. The eastern coastal plains are much broader than the western coastal plains. The northern part is referred to as the Northern Sircars, while the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. The island groups. There are 2 groups of islands which are part of India: Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are a group of small coral islands, many of which are uninhabited. Kavaratti is the capital of this union territory. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are actually peaks of submerged volcanic mountains. These are bigger in size and are about 550 islands in number. Barren Island, the only active volcano, is located here. Port Blair is its capital. These islands are major tourist attractions.
Let us summarize. India is located in southern part of Asia. India is the 7th largest country in area and the most populated country in the world. Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China, Nepal, Maldives and Bhutan are the neighboring countries of India. India has 6 major physical divisions: the Northern Mountains, the Great Northern Plains, the Western Desert, the Southern Plateau, the Coastal Plains and the Islands. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of India.